Dear students, welcome back to the remaining session of Spot Connection. In the previous class, or in the previous session, we have seen the Spot connection, which is used to convert three-phase to two-phase AC power supply, that too by taking balanced UP of load. And now we will consider balanced what is that? Balanced lagging power factor of the load, and we will prove that once again two-phase supply, if it load, if it is balanced, then three-phase supply is also be balanced. So now in the exam, if you want to answer for this question, whatever I have discussed in the previous session, that is remaining previous session of the Scott connection, in continuation to that, you need to explain for this explanation part also, okay. Now let us consider balanced two-phase load at a lagging power factor caused by the corresponding phasor diagram is shown in figure dot 4. So this is the corresponding phasor diagram. Three-phase side is again balanced as the current drawn from the three-phase system are equal balanced. So here three-phase side, that is input side, is once again balanced as the currents drawn from the three-phase system are equal. So here currents drawn from the system is current IR, current IY, current IB. Since they are equal, so once again three-phase side is once again it will be balanced. Okay, and lag by an angle pi with respect to their respective phase voltage. So those currents, they will be lagging to the corresponding voltages by an angle of pi, because it is a lagging power factor load what it is connected with. This can be shown mathematically. So now this is the phasor diagram when I connect balanced lagging power factor load, that is inductive load. So now this is the phasor diagram, voltage phasor diagram on input side and output side. Input means RYB, three phase. Output means two phase. This is the output of teaser transformer, where current of the secondary current of the teaser transformer lags secondary voltage V2T by an angle pi. This is the power delivered by teaser transformer. Similarly, power delivered by main transformer is current I2M, secondary current of the main transformer lags secondary voltage of the main transformer by an angle of pi. And once again here the angle between I2T, secondary teaser transformer current, and secondary main transformer I2M, they are having the phase shift of 90 degree. I2T lags I2M by 90 degree. Okay, the explanation now you can see here. Let us consider equal currents at a power factor of cos pi lagging from secondary side. So here the condition is equal currents we are taking, that is I2T, teaser transformer secondary current is equal to main transformer secondary current IM, that is equal to I2, that is I2T is equal to I2M is equal to I2, I2T is equal to I2M is equal to I2. From the phasor diagram we can write IR is equal to I1T. So from this phasor diagram, current flowing through the phase R is I1T, that is, you can see here, current that is flowing through phase R is I1T, and the connected load is lagging power factor. This is also lagging, this is also lagging, and current flowing through the phase R is I1T, that you can see here. Current flowing through the phase R is I1T, and from the phasor diagram, current flowing through IY equal to IB. You can see here, current that is flowing through IY and IB is I1M on both the side, plus half, minus half of the I1T by 2. That is what we are going to write here. IY equal to IB is equal to under root, magnitude we are taking here. IY is equal to IB is equal to under square root of I1M square plus half of I1T whole square. So magnitude of current that is flowing through phase Y and phase B, they are same, that is square root of I1M square plus half of I1T whole square. Now we know that I1M is equal to K times of I2M. In the previous case, we have seen that the value of I1M is nothing but K times of I2M. Make use of this formula. So I1M is equal to K times of I2M. But what is the I2M assumption? We have taken I2M and I2T equal as I2. So K times of I2M becomes K times of I2. Similarly, I1T is equal to 1.16 K times of I2T. This we have derived in the previous case. I1T is equal to 1.1, and instead of 1.15, here we have taken to 1.16 in that case. So I1T is equal to 1.15 K times of I2T. The same formula we are using here. Only difference is in place of 1.15, we are taking it as 1.16 k times of I2t. Once again, I2t can be written as I2. So then expression becomes I1t is equal to 1.16 k times of I2t. That is equal to 1.16 as it is, k as it is, I2t becomes I2 now. So the value of I1 m is equal to k times of I2, and the value of I1t is 1.16 k times of I2. So main transformer primary current is k times of secondary current I2. Main teaser transformer primary current is equal to 1.16 k times of I2t, or 1.16 k times of I2. So now make use of the value of I1m and I1m and I1t in the expression of IR and IY, where IR is equal to I1t and IY is equal to IB is equal to under square root of I1 square, m square plus half of I1t whole square. So substitute the value of I1m, I1t, right? So IR is equal to I1t, but what is my IR is equal to I1t? I1t is nothing but 1.16 k times of I2. Similarly, what is IY equal to IB? IY equal to IB is equal to square root of I1m square plus half of I1t whole square. So what is the value of I1m here? I1m is nothing but k terms of I2 plus I1t is I1t is 1.161 I2 whole square. So after simplifying, this Iy equal to Ib expression, then once again we will be getting Iy equal to Ib is equal to 1.16 k times of I2. Now you compare the formula or expression for IR, Iy, Ib. IR is 1.16. Similarly, Iy equal to Ib is equal to 1.16 k times of I2. It means that when load is low power factor load, that is inductive load, then if secondary side loads are balanced, then three-phase side is also balanced. Three-phase side is all balanced means the system can be said balanced only when the current drawn by the them will be balanced. So balanced and equal, that is current drawn by them, but that is three-phase input side IR, Iy, Ib, all are having same equal what is that expression? Same for expression is IR, Iy, Ib. All these are equal. These three line currents, they are equal to 1.16 k times of I2. It means that this expression we are getting when we connect lagging power factor load or inductive load. So by connecting this lagging load, we can say that load is connected on secondary side. Since loads are connected are balanced, because of that balanced low power factor load, current drawn at the input side IR, Iy, Ib are having same expression 1.16. If currents are same and equal, then we can say that if loads are balanced, then those balanced load on the secondary side which are lagging power factor load, they can balance even the three-phase input side also. That is, if secondary if two-phase load is balanced, that is that is lagging power factor load is balanced, then input side is also the input side which is three-phase, that is also balanced, because input side is current is IR, Iy, Ib, all are having same expression. So since currents are equal, so because of that three-phase side is also balanced here. This is the meaning. Thus all the currents in the primary side are equal in magnitude. So you can say that IR, Iy, Ib, that all they are equal to 1.16, they are equal in magnitude. We have from the phasor diagram tan theta. So from this phasor diagram, you can consider any one of the triangle here. So this is theta, this is opposite side, this is hypotenuse, and this is adjacent side. So tan theta is nothing but what? Sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta means tan theta. Sin theta means you can take for opposite side, that is minus half, or this you can take. So here we are taking minus half 1 by minus 1 by 2 I1t. Opposite side means tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. Sin means you can take opposite side, minus half I1t. So here if I take minus half I1t and hypotenuse, sin theta by cos theta. Cos theta means adjacent side. So adjacent side means this minus I1m. So minus half I1t divided by minus half I1m. Minus minus get cancelled, and simply half will be as it is. So what is the value of I1t? I1t is 1.16 k times of I2. So substitute I1t as 1.16 k times of I2. And what is the value of I1m? The value of I1m is k times of I2. So ki2 gets cancelled, and half of 1.16 tan theta is equal to 0.58. So theta is equal to tan inverse of 0.5 is 30 degree. So it shows that power factor angle here in this case is 30 degree. Then what is the conclusion? Let us see here. Since the power factors of the load for the main transformer. Since the power factors of the load for the main transformer and the teaser transformer are equal, so here power factors of both power factors of the load which are connected to the secondary side of the main transformer and teaser transformer are equal, and the phase angle between them between the secondary currents is also 90 degree. You can see here the phase angle between secondary currents I2T and I2M, I2T and I2M, this is also exactly 90 degree. Okay, the angle between the primary currents I1T and I1M, this is also once again 90 degree. So the angle between I1T and I2, what is that? The angle between primary currents I1T and I1M is also 90 degree. You can see here the I1T and I1M. So this is my I1T and this is my I1M. Once again, they are also exactly equal to 90 degree. And similarly, primary side I1M, I1T angle is 90 degrees. Secondary side I2T, I2M. This is also 90 degree. And power factors of both the loads are also equal. The angle between the primary currents I1T and I1M is also 90 degree. Thus, three line currents IR, IY, and IB are displaced from each other by 120 degree. So, since the angle between the three, both the primary and secondary currents is 90 degree, and power factor of both the loads on secondary side of the teaser and secondary side of the main transformers are equal. So the three line currents, that is three input line currents IR, IY, and IB, they are displaced from each other by 120 degree and lag the respective phase voltages by an angle pi, because it is lagging power factor. So voltage and currents, they are lagging by an angle of pi. They are going to lag by an angle of pi. This pi is power factor angle between transformer current with respect to secondary of the teaser transformer voltage. Similarly, pi is at power factor angle of main transformer current, where it is lagging with respect to secondary of the voltage of the main transformer V2M. Secondary transformer voltage V2M. This proves that if the two-phase load is balanced, then the loading on the three-phase side is also balanced. So this shows that since currents are equal, input currents IR, IY, IB is equal, then power factor of the loads are equal, then I1T and I1M, they are displacement 90 degrees. Similarly, I2T and I2M, they are also displacement 90 degrees. This all shows that the three currents, they are displaced at an angle of 120 degree electrically, and this shows that if loads are balanced, then three-phase side is also balanced. So this Scott connection gives balanced two-phase supply for both what is that UPF load and lagging power factor load. This is the conclusion. Okay, so this is all about what is that Scott connection, which is used to convert three-phase to two-phase, and at the end you can write this formula, this explanation. We will consider the case of unbalanced two power factor load having different currents and different power factors. The phasor diagram for this can be constructed in the similar manner as shown in figure.5. So if you want, you can explain for this part, but if they ask anything in the exam, you can write till to this part. But first you need to draw this basic circuit diagram. Then you draw the detailed winding tapping connection diagram. Then indicate which is a teaser transformer, which is main transformer. Then you draw this diagram. Then this input, output. Input is three-phase, output is two-phase, single phase and single phase. Output of teaser transformer, output of main transformer. Then write all these explanation, whatever I explained till now in the previous session of Scott connection. Then you write all these derivation part, write this current phasor diagram, voltage phasor diagram, everything. Then you write all the current values. This is the diagram when connected load is UPF, and all these formulas when they are connected with UPF. Now you explain for lagging power factor load. Then these are the phasor diagrams, input side, output side, and write all the formulas. And here till tan theta is equal to 0.5, theta is equal to 30 degree, you can write till this condition. This proves that if two-phase balance two-phase load is balanced, then loading on the three-phase side is also balanced. And if you want, you can explain for this phasor diagram when the things are connected with unbalanced load. Just you say that when the load on the secondary of the teaser and main transformer connected with unbalanced load, then these are the voltage waveforms, and these are the voltage waveforms. This is the input and this is the output of teaser transformer, output of main transformer. So this is one of the important question which will be asked for 8 to 10 marks in the final VT exam. Till here, whatever I have explained, till here, along with the previous, in continuation with the previous video, you should write all the explanation for Scott connection. So previous video, whatever I have explained, that followed by till to this point, whatever I explained in the second video, first video and second video explanation completely, you should write it for 8 to 10 marks in the final exam. So from this point, till here, you should write in the exam. If they ask with a neat sketch, explain how to convert three-phase to two-phase power supply, or explain with a neat sketch for Scott connection to obtain three-phase to two-phase power supply. Until here, you should write. Understood? From here, you should start conversion from three-phase to two-phase. Whatever I explained in the previous video, followed by this video explanation, everything. The previous video I explained from this point, this thing, this one, and till here. Till here, you have to explain if they ask anything about Scott connection in the final exam for 8 to 10 marks. Okay, the same concept you are going to, based on this same concept, you are going to conduct an experiment in electrical machines laboratory, that is Scott connection. You are having experiment on this Scott connection, where we are going to convert or obtain three-phase to single-phase power supply. Okay, all of you go through this Scott connection concept.